Welcome to App Shortcut. Deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Quick guide. To temporarily disable Instagram on your mobile device, follow these steps. For iPhone or Android. 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. 4. Account Center. 5. Personal details. 6. Account ownership and control. 7. Deactivation or deletion. 8. Select your account. 9. Select Deactivate account. 10. Enter your password and click Continue. 11. You will need to select a reason for deactivating your account. For example, I am choosing something else. After selecting your reason, click Continue. 12. Select Confirm Deactivate Account to finalize the process. That's it. We've successfully deactivated our Instagram account. If you want to reactivate it, simply log in again with your credentials. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others who might benefit from it. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.